bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
So I'm in the shed. Another moist day. Another little project going on here. So I've got these components here. Can you guess what they are? To be used for. We got 4 brackets with bolts and 2 50 by 50 angles, and there'll be some more angle here once we work out what we're doing. But the drill press, just got that out of the shed, out of the container, put it back together. And the little dozer over here, I have to do some work on the hydraulics drive on that. And we've got some quad bike tyres here. It's got to go on the quad bike at some point. Chunky tyres. And of course, we've had the honey warmer. So right now, we're in the shed and we're doing this little metal project. Do you know what these metal parts, 2x2 angle bolts, why are they placed on that bit of steel like that? Could they be going somewhere? Whoops, almost dropped the phone. Anyway, today's a moist day. We're in the shed. Come back to us with thoughts on what I'm building. Have a great day. Bye now.